How to make a biscuit sandwich. And for your ingredients, you will need biscuits, cheese, ham, and sausage patties. And just put the biscuits into the tray just like that. And on a 375 degree oven, place your biscuits and place them into the oven. And let them cook for 11 to 15 minutes. Then go in and prep your sausage patties. You may add seasoning if you like. Then in a very hot pan with oil, get your patties and just lay away in the pan. And let them cook. So just go ahead and keep cooking until they turn brown like that. And you can also keep flipping it too, so they won't burn too quickly too. And also make sure you don't have the heat on high too long, and that's what causes it to burn too. So just go and flip it just like that. And then go in and start getting your ham ready. And on a separate pan, just put the ham and just lay away the ham too. And make sure also do not have the heat on high too long, because it'll burn the ham quickly too. And then once it turns colored, you can go in and flip it too. And just let the ham cook. And then once the biscuits turn golden brown, just go and take out the biscuits. And make sure you have a bowl ready so you can put the biscuits into the bowl too. Just like that. And that's how the biscuits should look once they're done. And then go and assemble your biscuit. Put the bottom of the biscuit in the plate. And then go and get one egg. And then very hot pan with oil. Just crack the egg open. And let the egg cook. And you may season the egg if you like to. And we're just adding salt and pepper. And then going to get your spatula and just flip it to your other side too. And then going to put the mustard on the bottom part of the biscuit. And then just put the sausage. Then your ham. And then followed by the cheese. Once the egg is done cooking, just go in and put the egg and close it up. Just like that. And there you go, guys. That's how you make a perfectly cooked biscuit. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you.